ሰላም ሰላም የቻናላችን ቤተሰቦች እንደምን ቆያችሁ? እንደምታወቁ ከተለያዩ ግቢ የተውጣጡ የፋይናል እና የሚድ ጥያቄዎችን ለፍሬሽማኖች እየሰራን እንዳለን ይታወቃል። ዛሬ ደግሞ ስለ ጂኦግራፊ ፍሬሽማን ኮርስ ፋይናል እና ሚድ ከተለያዩ ግቢ የተውጣጡ ከተለያዩ ዩኒቶች የተሰበሰቡ ጥያቄዎችን ልንሰራላችሁ መጥተናል። ስለዚህ ለቻናላችን አዲስ የሆናችሁ ቻናላችንን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር፣ ኮፒ ሊንክ፣ ላይክ ማድረግ እንዳይረሳ። እንዲሁም ዛሬ የምሰራበትን ፒዲኤፍም ሆነ ሌሎችም ፓወርፖይንቶችን እንዲሁም አስፈላጊ ማቴሪያሎችን ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ በዩቲዩብ ቻናላችን ዲስክሪፕሽን ቦክስ ላይ የተቀመጠላችሁን የቴሌግራም ቻናላችንን ጆይን በማድረግ የአገልግሎቱ ተጠቃሚ መሆን ትችላላችሁ። አሁን ወደ ጥያቄው እንሂድ። ሌትስ ፕሮሲድ። Number 1. Which geological era formation predominantly constitute the basal complex of Ethiopian topography? በኢትዮጵያ ቶፖግራፊ ውስጥ ባዛል ኮምፕሌክስ ወይም መነሻ የሆነ ኢራ የትኛው ነው ተብሎ ነው የተጠየቀው። ኤ ሜሶዞይክ ኢራ፣ ቢ ሲኖዞይክ ኢራ፣ ሲ ፕሪካምፕሪያን ኢራ፣ ዲ ፓሎዞይክ ኢራ። there are 4 types of ኢራዎች አሉ። እነሱም እነኚህ ከኤ እስከ ዲ የተዘረዘሩ ናቸው። ከነሱ ውስጥ የመጀመሪያ የሆነ ባዛል ኮምፕሌክስ የተባለው በኢትዮጵያ ቶፖግራፊክ ውስጥ የትኛው ነው ነው ጥያቄው። the correct answer from the list of choice will be C Precambrian era. Okay, yes, it is C Precambrian era. Number 2. The western island of Ethiopia are subdivided into several plateaus. Which of the following is not one of them? A. Tigray Plateau, B. Shawa Plateau, C. Bale Plateau, D. North Central Marif. The Western Highland እና ሳውዝ ኢስተርን ሃይላንድ ኦር ኢስተርን ሃይላንድ ተብሎ ለሁለት ይከፈላል። ሃይላንድ ኤንድ ሎውላንድ ተብሎ ይከፈላል። ከዛ ውስጥ ዌስተርን ሃይላንድ ውስጥ የተመደቡት የትኞቹ ናቸው ምለውን ነገር ቀድመን ማወቅ መቻል አለብን። ዌስተርን ውስጥ ከተዘረዘሩት ውስጥ ትግራይ አለ፣ ኖርዝ ሴንትራል ማሪፍ አለ፣ ሸዋ ሴንትራል ፕላቲዮ አለ እና ሳውዝ ዌስተርን ሃይላንድ። እነኚህ አራቱ ዌስተርን ሃይላንድ ውስጥ የሚመደቡ ናቸው። ከነዚህ ውስጥ ያልሆነው የትኛው ነው ተብሎ ነው የተጠየቀው። the correct answer from the choice will be C ባሌ ፕላቲው። ባሌ ፕላቲው ምን ላይ ነው የሚመደበው ማለት ነው? ሳውዝ ኢስተርን ሃይላንድ ውስጥ የሚመደብ ነው ማለት ነው። ሳውዝ ኢስተርን ሃይላንድ ኢንክሉድስ አርሲ፣ ባሌ፣ ሲዳሞ ኤንድ ሀረርጌ ሃይላንዶችን ይይዛል። ስለዚህ ባሌ ፕላቲው is not the one of Western Highland subdivision. So due to this, the correct answer will be C. Bale Plateau. Okay, next number 3. What is the approximate altitude range of Ethiopian topography? A. 0 to 3000 meter above sea level, B. 125 meter below sea level to 446.20 meter above sea level, C. 500 to 4000 meter above sea level, D. 100 meter below sea level to 5000 meter above sea level. The correct answer from the list of choice will be B. 125 meter below sea level to 4620 meter above sea level. So B is the correct answer. Okay, number 4. Which mountain is the highest peak in Ethiopia? Ethiopia have gifted with a mountain such as Mountain Batu, Mountain Abba Yosef, Mountain Alastashian and Mountain Tuludemtu. From the list of choice, which one have highest peak? So the correct answer will be C. Mountain Rastashian. Mountain Rastashian have highest peak in Ethiopia. From the list, it is the highest mountain from Ethiopia. So the correct answer will be C. Okay, number 5. The Rift Valley in Ethiopia serves as significant geological feature. Which one of the following statement about it is true? What is true about Rift Valley? The question is shortly tells about what is Rift Valley means and what is true about the Rift Valley. So A, it divides the western and southeastern highland. B, it is located entirely within western highland. C, it is a minor feature with little geological significance. D, it is formed by collision of tectonic plateau. So the correct answer will be A, it divides the western and southeastern highland. So A is the correct answer. Okay, number 6. Which of the following region is a part of southeastern highland of Ethiopia? Previously, I told about there is two types of rift valley, such as western highland and southeastern or eastern highland and lowland. So from this subdivision, which one is included under southeastern highland? Not lowland, it is highland. So southeastern highland includes RC Bale Sidamo and Hararge highland. So, from the list of choice, which one is included in Southeastern Highland? A. Tigray Plateau, B. North Central Marif, C. Bale Mountain, D. Shawa Plateau. The correct answer will be Bale Mountains because Shawa Plateau, North Central Marif, and Tigray Plateau is Western Highland and included under Western Highland. Due to this, the correct answer will be C. Bale Mountain. Okay, number 7. The Kobar sink in Ethiopia is noticeable for being A. The highest point in Ethiopia, B. An area of significant volcanic activity, C. The lowest point in Ethiopia, D. A major urban center. ኮባር ሲንክ ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? በኢትዮጵያ ላይ ያለው ኮባር ሲንክ which word, which choice define about the Kobar sink? The correct answer will be C, the lowest point in the country. C is the correct answer from list of choice. Okay. Number 8. Which of the following river flows through Ethiopian highland and is a major tributary of Nile? So በኢትዮጵያ ሃይላንድ ፍሎ የሚያደርግ ሪቨር እና የናይል ገባሪ የሆነው ሪቨር የትኛው ነው ነው ጥያቄው። ኤ አዋሽ ሪቨር፣ ቢ ኦሞ ሪቨር፣ ሲ ብሉ ናይል ሪቨር፣ ዲ ዋቢ ሸበለ ሪቨር። ዘ ኮሬክት አንሰር ዊል ቢ ሲ ብሉ ናይል ሪቨር። So Blue Nile River is one of a river which flows through Ethiopian highlands and it is a major tributary of a Nile. So B, C is the correct answer. Number 9. The term Ambas in Ethiopia topography refers to A. Deep river gorges, B. Flat-topped plateau with steep side, C. Volcanic crater, D. Desert plain. So what is the term Ambas in Ethiopian topography? The correct answer will be flat-topped plateau with steep side. B is the correct answer. Number 10. Which physiographic division of Ethiopia is characterized by a series of lakes and volcanic activity? It is a physiographic division of Ethiopia which is characterized by a series of lakes and volcanic activity. A. Western Highland, B. Southeastern Highland, C. Rift Valley, D. Eastern Highland. The correct answer will be C. Rift Valley. Rift Valley is a series of lakes and volcanic activity which is result from a series of lakes and volcanic activity. So the correct answer will be C. Rift Valley. ኦኬ ቀጣይ 11ኛ ጥያቄ ላይ ከማለፋችን በፊት ለቻናላችን አዲስ የሆናችሁ ቻናላችንን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ኮፒ ሊንክ፣ ላይክ፣ ሼር ኤንድ ኮመንት እንዳትረሱ። እንዲሁም ዛሬ የምሰራበትን ፒፒቲ ሆነ ፒዲኤፍ እናም ሌሎቹን ጠቃሚ የሆኑ የፍሬሽማን ኮርስ ማቴሪያሎችን ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ በዩቱብ ቻናላችን ዲስክሪፕሽን ቦክስ ላይ የተቀመጠላችሁን የቴሌግራም ቻናል ሊንካችንን ጆይን በማድረግ የአገልግሎቱ ተጠቃሚ መሆን ትችላላችሁ። So let's proceed to our question. Number 11. The Ethiopian islands are often referred to as the roof of Africa due to A. Their extensive desert landscape, B. Their high elevation and large area of elevated landmass, C. The presence of dense tropical rainforest, D. Their proximity to the equator. The correct answer from the list of choice will be B. Their high elevation and large area of elevated landmass, which is a reason behind why Ethiopia is one of Ethiopian highland is often referred as the roof of Africa. So the correct answer will be B. Okay, number 12. Which of the following is a significant impact of Ethiopia's varied relief on its climate? Significant impact of Ethiopian varied relief on its climate ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ የክላይሜት ቼንጅ አራት አይነት ክላይሜቶች ወይም ሲዝኖች አሉ። ይሄ የክላይሜት ቼንጅ ኢትዮጵያ ላይ ምን አይነት ኢምፓክት አለው ነው ጥያቄው እያለ ያለው። So A. Uniform temperatures across the country. B. Consistent rainfall throughout the year. C. Diverse microclimate leading to varied agricultural practice. D. Lack of seasonal variation. So the correct answer will be diverse microclimate leading to varied agricultural practice. So C is the correct answer. Okay, number 13. The deep gorge found in Ethiopia are primarily the result of A. Glacial erosion, B. Tectonic plateau collision, C. River erosion over geological timescale, D. Wind erosion in arid region. So what does deep gorge found in Ethiopia primary results of? ዲፕ ጆርጅ ኢትዮጵያ ላይ ምን አይነት ሪዛልትን ያመጣል? The correct answer will be C. River erosion over geological timescale. C is the correct answer. Okay, number 14. Which of the following statement about the western lowland of Ethiopia is accurate? Western lowland. Which one is accurately determined or explain about the western lowland? A. They are densely populated and heavily industrialized. B. They have hot climate and are prone to malaria. C. They are primary agricultural hub of country. D. They are characterized by high altitude plateau. From the list of choice, the correct answer, which briefly describe about the western lowland, will be B. They have hot climate and are prone to malaria. So B is the correct answer. Number 15. The Bale Mountains are part of the physiographic division in Ethiopia. A. Western Highland, B. Southern Highland, C. Rift Valley, D. Eastern Lowland. So, Bale Mountain is categorized under which type of Rift Valley? So we asked about the Bale. So Bale is one of southeastern highland. So Bale is categorized under B. B is the correct answer. Number 16. Ethiopian topography has a significant impact on its biodiversity. Which of the following is direct consequence of this varied landscape? A. Limited species diversity due to uniform habitats. B. High endemism with many species unique to specific region. C. Absence of mountainous flora and fauna. D. Predominance of desert adapted species throughout the country. The correct answer will be B. High endemism with many species unique to specific region. Number 17. The term Great Rift Valley refers to A. Minor depression in Ethiopia with little geological significance. B. A continuous geographic stretch running from Lebanon to Mozambique. C. A series of volcanic craters in East Africa. D. A mountain range extending across the Horn of Africa. So the correct answer will be B. A continuous geographic trend running from Lebanon to Mozambique. So B is the correct answer. Number 18. Which of the following lakes is not located within Ethiopia segment of Rift Valley? A. Lake Tana, B. Lake Abaya, C. Lake Chamo, D. Lake Ziway. The correct answer will be Lake Tana, A. Okay, next 19. The Afar Depression is a notable feature in Ethiopian topography is characterized by A. High altitude plateau with temperate climate, B. Dense tropical rainforest, C. One of the hottest and lowest places on the earth, D. Extensive glacial formation. The correct answer will be C. One of the hottest and lowest places on Earth. So, number 20. The geological process primarily responsible for the formation of Ethiopian island is A. Glacial erosion, B. Volcanic activity, C. Sedimentary deposition, D. Tectonic plateau. So the correct answer will be B. Volcanic activity, which is responsible for formation of Ethiopian highland. So this is the last question of uh, uh, this chapter. So ስለዚህ ይህ የመጨረሻ ጥያቄ ይሆናል። ቀጣይ ላይ በሌላ ቪዲዮ እስክንገናኝ ድረስ ለቻናላችን አዲስ የሆናችሁ ቻናላችንን ሰብስክራይብ እና ቪዲዮቻችንን ሼር፣ ኮፒ ሊንክ፣ ኮመንት ማድረግ እንዳይረሳ። እንዲሁም ዛሬ የሰራሁበትን ፒዲኤፍም ሆነ ሌሎችንም ማቴሪያሎች ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ በዲስክሪፕሽን ቦክስ ላይ የተቀመጠላችሁን የቴሌግራም ቻናል ሊንካችን በመንካት የአገልግሎቱ ተጠቃሚ መሆን ትችላላችሁ። በሌላ ቪዲዮ እስክንገናኝ ድረስ መልካም ቆይታ